Hello everyone, my name is Toshihiro. I'm a Japanese. Today we will learn how to express gratitude in Uzbek language. Let's get started.
So, next is Rahmat.
Rahmat.
Thank you, right? So, Rahmat. Next is Arzemaydı.
Arzimaydı.
When somebody says Rahmat, you say, Arzemaydı. Don't mention it. It's okay, right? Arzemaydı. Next is Kulluk.
Kulluk.
Well, this word is not used usually, but you can understand it like congratulations kind of thing, I guess. We don't use it really, but kulluk, yeah. Next is minna dorman.
Mhm. Minnettarman.
That means I am grateful. Yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah, I appreciate it. Minna dorman. Qilgan yaxshiliklaringizni unutmayman.
Qilgan yaxshiliklaringizni unutmayman.
Wow. So this is, I will never forget the favors you did to me, right? Uh-huh. So like, I will never forget it. Yaxshi qilgan yaxshiliklaringizni unutmayman. Unutmak is to forget. Mm-hmm. Exactly. All right. How do you say, I will not forget you? Yeah, great. Okay. Next is siz meni qutqardingiz.
Siz meni qutqardingiz.
Yeah. Siz meni qutqardingiz. Yeah, you helped me. You saved me, yeah? Siz meni qutqardingiz. Qutqarmoq is to save. Save somebody from something. Yeah. Last one is judayam xursandman.
Mhm. Judayam xursandman.
This means I am happy. Yes, exactly. Happy. Uh, I'm very happy or I'm very glad, kind of thing. All right.